Imagine a funnel, the kind you use in the kitchen to pour liquids into a bottle without spilling. Wide at the top, narrow at the bottom. See it? Good. Now let's take that image and apply it to the world of business and sales. Now imagine pouring potential customers into the top. That's a sales funnel. But what does that really mean? It's a system to guide your customers from hello to cha-ching. Think of it as a journey that your customers embark on, starting from the moment they first hear about your product or service. It takes them on a journey, step by step, until they buy from you. Easy peasy, right? But let's break it down a bit more. At the top of the funnel, we have the awareness stage. This is where potential customers first become aware of your product or service. They might see an ad, read a blog post, or hear about you from a friend. Next, we move to the interest stage. Here, those potential customers start to show interest in what you have to offer. They might visit your website, follow you on social media, or sign up for your newsletter. Then comes the consideration stage. At this point, they're seriously considering your product or service. They might compare it to other options, read reviews, or request more information. After that, we have the intent stage. This is where potential customers show a clear intent to buy. They might add your product to their cart, fill out a contact form, or schedule a demo. Finally, we reach the purchase stage. This is the narrowest part of the funnel, where the actual transaction happens. The customer buys your product or service. Success! But wait, there's more. After the purchase, there's the post-purchase stage. This is where you work to turn one-time buyers into loyal customers. You might follow up with a thank you email, offer excellent customer service, or provide additional resources. So, to recap, a sales funnel is a step-by-step process that guides potential customers from the awareness stage all the way to the post-purchase stage. It's a powerful tool to help you understand and optimize your sales process. By understanding each stage of the funnel, you can create targeted strategies to move customers smoothly from one stage to the next. And that's the magic of a sales funnel. So, next time you think about your sales process, picture that funnel and remember the journey your customers take. With the right approach, you'll turn more leads into loyal customers and watch your business grow. Easy peasy, right? Because sales funnels make you money. They organize your marketing so you attract the right people and turn them into paying customers. No more guessing games, no more wasting time. Just a clear path to more sales. Sounds good, right? First things first, who are you selling to? Get clear on your ideal customer. What are their problems, their desires? Now grab their attention. Use social media, ads, blog posts, anything that gets them interested in you. You've got their attention. Now, build a relationship. Give them valuable content, free ebooks, webinars, helpful tips. Show them you understand their problems and that you have the solution. Make the sale. Now it's time to make an offer they simply can't refuse. This is the moment where you present your product or service. Highlight the benefits, show how it solves their problems, and most importantly, make it a no-brainer. Don't stop now. The sale is just the beginning. Now it's time to over-deliver. Wow them with amazing customer service. Offer bonuses and upsells. Turn them into raving fans who buy from you again and again. From funnels to flywheels, taking it to the next level. In today's fast-paced business world, staying ahead of the competition requires more than just traditional strategies. It's about innovation, adaptation, and leveraging the latest tools and methodologies to drive growth and success. Want to supercharge your results? Imagine a system where every action you take not only drives immediate results, but also sets the stage for exponential growth. This is the power of transforming your approach from a linear funnel to a dynamic flywheel. Turn your funnel into a flywheel. Traditional sales funnels are effective, but they have their limitations. They often require constant input and effort to maintain momentum. A flywheel, on the other hand, is designed to build and sustain its own energy, creating a self-perpetuating cycle of growth. A flywheel is a self-perpetuating machine. It stores energy and releases it gradually, ensuring a continuous and steady flow of power. In a business context, this means creating systems and processes that not only drive initial success, but also build on that success over time. It gains momentum over time. The more effort you put into building and optimizing your flywheel, the more powerful it becomes. Each positive outcome feeds into the next, creating a cycle of continuous improvement and growth. How do you do it? The key to building an effective flywheel is to focus on creating value at every stage of the customer journey. This means not only attracting new customers but also ensuring they have a positive experience that encourages them to return and refer others. by creating a system that generates its own energy. This involves leveraging technology, data, and customer feedback to continuously refine and improve your processes. The goal is to create a seamless and efficient system that drives growth and success with minimal ongoing effort. Happy customers become repeat buyers. When customers have a positive experience, they are more likely to return and make additional purchases. This not only drives immediate sales but also builds long-term loyalty and trust. And they tell their friends. Word-of-mouth marketing is one of the most powerful tools in your arsenal. Satisfied customers are more likely to recommend your products or services to others, creating a ripple effect that drives new business and fuels your flywheel. More customers, more momentum, more sales. As your customer base grows, so does the momentum of your flywheel. Each new customer adds to the energy and power of your system, driving even greater success and growth. By focusing on creating value and building a self-sustaining system, you can take your business to the next level and achieve long-term success. Key takeaways. Your sales funnel checklist. Let's recap. In this section, we will summarize the essential elements of a successful sales funnel. Whether you're new to sales funnels or looking to optimize your existing one, these key takeaways will help you streamline your process and boost your conversions. Here's what you need to remember. A well-structured sales funnel is crucial for guiding potential customers through the buying journey. Each stage of the funnel plays a vital role in converting prospects into loyal customers. Let's break down each component. A sales funnel guides customers to a sale. It starts with awareness, where potential customers first learn about your product or service. This is followed by interest, where they show a genuine interest in what you offer. Next is the consideration stage, where they evaluate your product against competitors. Finally, the decision stage is where they make the purchase. Attract your ideal customer with targeted marketing. Use data-driven strategies to identify and reach your target audience. Tailor your marketing messages to address their specific needs and pain points. Effective targeting ensures that your marketing efforts are not wasted on uninterested parties. Build trust by offering value and solving their problems. Provide valuable content that educates and informs your audience. Show them how your product or service can solve their problems and improve their lives. Trust is a critical factor in the decision-making process, and offering genuine value helps establish that trust. Make a compelling offer and close the deal. Your offer should be irresistible and clearly communicate the benefits of your product or service. Use persuasive techniques such as limited-time offers, discounts, and bonuses to encourage immediate action. Once the customer is convinced, guide them smoothly through the purchase process. Over-deliver and turn customers into raving fans. Exceed customer expectations by providing exceptional service and unexpected bonuses. Happy customers are more likely to become repeat buyers and refer others to your business. Word-of-mouth referrals are powerful and can significantly boost your sales. Turn your funnel into a flywheel for explosive growth. A flywheel approach focuses on creating a continuous cycle of customer engagement and satisfaction. By consistently delivering value and delighting your customers, you create momentum that drives sustainable growth. The more satisfied customers you have, the more they will promote your business, creating a self-sustaining growth engine. Ready to explode your sales? Start building your funnel today. Don't wait another minute. Start building your sales funnel today. It's the key to unlocking massive growth for your business. So get out there and start building.
Are you ready to discover how to take this information and apply it to start getting results fast? Tap the link below or go to mastermindwebinars.com. Come and create your free account to get hours of valuable training on website optimization, list building, email marketing, AI, automations, mindset, and so much more. Click below and unlock this wealth of free training today.